AI's growing mind, humanity's watchful eye. Aloha. As artificial intelligence continues to advance and integrate into critical sectors of society, two roles are emerging as essential to the future of the field: AI training and AI monitoring. While both will play significant roles in shaping the reliability and safety of AI systems, it is increasingly evident that AI monitoring is likely to be in higher and more sustained demand over time. Training AI, especially through supervised learning, involves preparing large datasets, labeling data, designing model architectures, and fine-tuning parameters to optimize performance. However, as models become more generalized and pre-trained on broad data corpora, the need for repeated, domain-specific training diminishes. Major organizations are investing heavily in foundational models that can be adapted with minimal fine-tuning, reducing the frequency with which entire training pipelines need to be developed from scratch. While there will still be demand for experts who specialize in model training, particularly in research environments or specialized applications, this work is becoming increasingly consolidated and centralized. By contrast, the need for AI monitoring is growing in scope and urgency. Monitoring AI refers to the ongoing oversight of model behavior, outcomes, and alignment with human objectives after deployment. This includes evaluating whether AI outputs are safe, unbiased, accurate, contextually appropriate, and aligned with legal or ethical standards. It also includes responding to errors, detecting harmful drift in behavior, and making dynamic adjustments as AI systems interact with real-world complexity. As AI applications extend into domains such as healthcare, autonomous vehicles, finance, education, and national security, the cost of failure increases dramatically. In these high-stakes environments, merely training a powerful model is not sufficient. Ensuring that it behaves as directed and intended over time becomes paramount. What distinguishes AI from earlier technological paradigms is its capacity to become increasingly powerful and autonomous over time. Unlike a bridge, a smartphone, or even a traditional piece of software, which is static in nature, a sophisticated AI system can evolve in performance, generalize to new tasks, and, most critically, operate with goals or logic that may be opaque even to its developers. This capacity for emergent behavior introduces unprecedented risks. Unlike a conventional tool, AI does not simply do what it is told. It infers, predicts, and sometimes acts in ways that were not explicitly programmed. As the capabilities of these systems grow, so does the concern about unintended consequences. This is not just science fiction. It is getting closer and closer in reality. The increasing autonomy and generality of AI systems have prompted serious discussions among researchers, ethicists, and policymakers about the long-term implications. Ranging from algorithmic bias and surveillance misuse to more extreme existential risks, including scenarios reminiscent of science fiction such as autonomous weapons or self-directed AI systems operating outside human control. These concerns, once considered speculative, are now being taken seriously by some of the world's most prominent technologists and institutions, including Geoffrey Hinton and Elon Musk. Because of this, AI monitoring is not simply a technical requirement, it is an ethical and civilizational imperative. The role of monitoring spans disciplines, involving technologists, ethicists, legal experts, and domain specialists working together to ensure that AI systems remain aligned with human values. As AI's capabilities continue to grow, the likelihood of unexpected outcomes rises, making continuous oversight, interpretability, and human-in-the-loop governance not just advisable but essential. Currently, both training AI and monitoring AI are in high demand. However, the relative demand will probably shift over time. Initially, training expertise is essential to build capable systems. But as AI becomes more integrated into critical infrastructure and daily life, monitoring and safety roles may become proportionally more important and numerous. Think of it like the early internet. Initially we needed lots of people to build websites and servers, But as the web matured, we also needed cybersecurity experts, content moderators, and digital governance specialists. Similarly, AI will likely need an entire ecosystem of oversight professionals as it matures. As artificial intelligence becomes more embedded in everyday life, we need to ensure that AI systems remain trustworthy, fair, and effective. This will define the next era of human-AI collaboration. What are your thoughts? Will AI monitoring surpass AI training in importance in the near future? Should we begin investing more seriously in training qualified professionals to oversee and govern AI systems? Feel free to share your insights in the comments. If you found this content valuable, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to support continued discussions on this critical topic. Thank you for watching. Mahalo.